ATV 200cc GeForce version 2. Yan. High-end 12 inches mags. Size ng gulong is 25 by 8 to 12 sa harap. Tapos sa likod naman ay yan, 25 by 10 to 12 with bed liner, side mirror, may remote alarm, pwedeng keyless. Sa monitor yung gumagana yung RPM, may hazard, ito hazard, LED lights, yan, may 4 na LED dito sa taas, tapos meron dito sa baba. May signal light, busina. Yan. With backrest. Yan, itong kulay carbon black. Tapos